Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, in this session we are going to discuss the another important isomerism, stereoisomerism. Already in my previous session I completed structural isomerism and the types of structural isomerism. But the stereoisomerism also very important in board level and also NEET level. But unfortunately, stereoisomerism concept is deleted in this year board exam point of view. But NEET point of view, the stereoisomerism is very, very important. So now you know that very well. All organic compound can be existed structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Similarly, coordination compound also they can existed structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Now we are going to discuss what is the stereoisomerism, what kind of the compound can be existed stereoisomerism in the coordination compounds, the entire information now discuss. See Nana, actually listen. Coordinate bonds are directional in the nature. Yes or no? Yes. Coordination bonds are directional in the nature and give rise to the phenomena of stereoisomerism in coordination compound. Actually, coordination compounds are the directional in the nature. That's why they can existed stereoisomerism. They can existed stereoisomerism. Now, what is the exact definition of stereoisomerism? See, Nana, in this type of isomerism, different atoms or groups of atoms. In this type of isomerism, different atoms or groups of atoms occupy different spatial position around the central metal atom. Around the central metal atom. This isomerism is called stereoisomerism. What is the stereoisomerism? In around the central metal atom, different kind of the groups or different kind of the atoms are there. They are arranged in the different spatial position. Such kind of the coordination compounds are commonly known as stereo. That kind of compounds are existed stereoisomerism. So once again, Sinana, what is the stereoisomerism? In this type of isomerism, different atoms or group of atom occupy different spatial position or spatial arrangement around the central metal atom. So around the central metal atom, what are the groups and what are the atoms are there? Those atoms are arranged in the spatial position or spatial arrangement. So this kind of the isomerism is called stereoisomerism. This kind of isomerism is called stereoisomerism. See my dear students, stereoisomerism is a very common in coordination compound and is studied very easily in coordination compound. So generally stereoisomerism are two types. Because of already clearly explained, stereoisomerism means around the central metal atom, the atoms are arranged in the spatial position. Based on the atoms arranged the spatial arrangement or spatial position, the stereoisomers are two types. So number one is a geometrical or geometrical isomerism. Number two is a optical isomerism. So most important part nana, stereoisomerism mainly two types. Number one is a geometrical isomerism or number 2 is the optical isomerism. Already you know that very well about the geometrical isomerism or optical isomerism in organic chemistry. Again see here carefully, especially in the coordination compounds point of view, how they show geometrical isomerism and also optical isomerism. The first one is from stereoisomerism, geometrical isomerism. First one is geometrical isomerism. See my dear students carefully, geometrical isomerism comes into existence by the different spatial arrangement of the groups around the central metal atom. Similarly, groups may be either be arranged on the same side or opposite side of the central metal atom. So in the geometrical isomerism, around the central metal atom, the groups, what are the atoms, what are the groups, they are arranged in the same direction or opposite direction. So around the central metal atom, what are the groups are located in the coordination compound, those groups are arranged as a same direction or same side or opposite side. So based on this arrangement of the groups, either same side or opposite side, two names are there: cis isomerism, cis geometrical isomerism, trans geometrical isomerism. Now see here, geometrical isomerism again two type nana, cis, trans. Why here? When similar groups are arranged on the same side of the central metal atom, when similar groups are arranged in the same side of the central metal atom, same side of the central metal atom, we have called cis isomerism. So for example, around the central metal atom, the groups are one direction, same direction, same side of the central metal atom, that is called cis. And when the similar groups are spatially placed on the opposite side, we have called trans isomerism. Most important nana, cis geometrical isomerism means if around the central atom only same side one category of the groups are there, that is called cis. Opposite side different type of the group, same groups and opposite side is there, that is called trans. So once again see here, when similar groups are arranged on the same side of the central metal atom, we have cis isomers, and when the similar groups are arranged in the opposite side, we have trans isomerism. So that's why my dear student, all coordination compounds are generally can existed cis isomerism and trans isomerism. Okay nana? So from the geometrical isomerism, two categories are there: cis isomerism and trans isomerism. Cis isomerism means the similar groups are arranged in the same side of the central atom. Aprama trans isomerism means here the same groups arranged in the opposite side of the central metal atom. Clear ma? Now one more important point seen here, most important point, geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is a common in the coordination compounds. Geometrical isomerism is a common in the coordination compounds. Geometrical isomerism is common in the coordination compound. You know that very well, because of the most of the coordination compound they can exist cis isomerism and trans isomerism. That's why geometrical isomerism is a common in the coordination compound, and it's depend upon the coordination number of the central metal atom and also upon the geometry of the complexes. The most important point coming right now, coordination number only to decide the geometry of coordination compound. For example, one compound structure, one compound shape only decided the coordination number. That is the most important point nana. Coordination number only to decided the shape of the coordination compound. Ipo one compound can be existed cis and trans from the geometrical isomerism. The cis and trans position and also structure of the coordination compound is decided by the coordination number. So coordination number only to decided the shape of the or geometry of the complexes. Okay nana? Now see carefully nana, what kind of the coordination number, what kind of coordination number can show structures, geometrical structure. Now see here carefully see nana, geometrical isomerism. Here coordination number, 4 coordination numbers are there. 2, 3, 4, 6. Carefully observe, Nana. This is the most important part in this area. So, coordination number 2 and coordination number 3 and coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. So, here 4 coordination numbers are present in the coordination compound. Hence, if the 2 coordination number of the any coordination compound, it's not existed geometrical isomerism. That's why I put here into mark. So, into mark enna coordination compound 2 irukana, it's not existed geometrical isomerism. And similarly, my dear students, the coordination number 3 irukana, that kind of the compounds also not existed geometrical isomerism. So, most important point, the coordination compound 2 and coordination compound 3, they cannot existed geometrical isomerism. But what coordination compounds are existed geometrical isomerism? Now see, 4. If any one of the coordination compound contain coordination number is 4, you know that very well. What is the coordination number? The total number of the ligands attaches to the center metal atom, that number is called coordination number. If any one of the coordination compound having either 4 coordination number or 6 coordination number, definitely they can existed geometrical isomerism. So that's why, my dear students, the coordination number is only to decide the shape and geometry of the coordination compound. If any one of the coordination compound contains 2 coordination number, they cannot existed geometrical isomerism. It means cis trans is not existed. Similarly, 3 coordination number is also there, any coordination compound, they are also not existed geometrical isomerism. So the geometrical isomerism only existed by 2 numbers. Number 1 is the 4, number 2 is the 6. Number 1 is the 4th one, number 2 is the 6th one. Okay now in the coordination compound, 4 and 6 only took existed geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Now see, Nana, carefully observe. If coordination number 4, generally such kind of the coordination compound existed tetrahedral structure and square planar structure. Tetrahedral structure and square planar structure. Aprama coordination number 6 irukana. So this kind of the compounds are existed octahedral structure. So now most important point, if the coordination compound contains coordination number is a 4, to possibility of the structure existed particular compound, tetrahedral and square planar, but square planar only to existed, tetrahedral is not. So my dear student, listen carefully. Some of the coordination compound, they has 4 coordination number. If the 4 coordination number irukana, up 2 different type of structures are possible. Number 1, tetrahedral structures are possible. Number 2, square planar are possible. Tetrahedral structure is possible and square planar is possible. But tetrahedral structure is not possible. So now here, but 4 coordination compound generally existed tetrahedral and square planar, but most of the time square planar only existed. And similarly, coordination number 6 irukana, it is octahedral manner. Now see, Nana, coordination number 4, especially square planar, that's kind of the structure, square planar. These are 2 types, Nana. Coordination number 4, coordination compound has monodentate compounds are there and bidentate compounds also there. Monodentate compounds are there, bidentate compounds are there. So in case of coordination number 4 category of the compound, they can show square planar. These are 2 category, monodentate and bidentate. See carefully, in case of monodentate, this kind of the structures are not existed geometrical isomerism. So into means Ma4 square bracket plus or minus n, this is not existed square planar, but here coordination number 4a, but it's not existed. This is a monodentate. Monodentate means only one category of the ligands are there. So here coordination compound is 4 because of 4 ligands are there, but Ma4 plus or minus n, this kind of the structure cannot existed geometrical isomerism, and similarly Ma3b square bracket plus or minus n, this kind of the compound is also not existed. Here these are the general representation formula nana. M stands for central metal atom, or A, B, C, D stands for ligands. Now here one central metal atom, same category of the 4 ligands are there, that kind of the compound never existed geometrical isomerism in the category of the square planar. Understood? Similarly Ma3b, here one B ligand 3, one more ligands, central metal atom 1 the monodentate, one central metal atom. So this kind of the coordination compound also not existed geometrical isomerism. That's why already clearly to put here into these 2 examples are not existed geometrical isomerism in the coordination number 4 category. Now right now my question, my dear students, which one of the following example cannot existed geometrical isomerism from the coordination number 4 coordination compound? Ma4 plus or minus n and Ma3b plus or minus n. These 2 compounds is not existed geometrical isomerism from the coordination number 4th category. And what kind of category, what kind of compounds are existed? See, it put this is wrong, it's right. It means these compounds are show the geometrical isomerism. What kind of compounds you see here? Ma2b2. Here M is nothing but central metal atom, A one type of ligand, B one more type of ligand. So the most important thing is here Ma2b2 type of the compound can existed geometrical isomerism in the category of the coordination number 4. And similarly Ma2bc also it can easily to existed. Ma2bc also easily existed geometrical isomerism from the coordination number 4th category in square planar. And MaBCD plus or minus, MaBCD plus or minus, these 3 compounds are existed from the monodentate square planar to the coordination number 4. Okay na? Now in the square planar category bidentate ligands also there. Bidentate ligand, this compound is not existed geometrical isomerism. MAA2 plus or minus n, MAA2 plus or minus n, it's not existed, but this one is existed. What is this compound name? MAB2 plus or minus n. So these are the actually from the coordination number 4 square planar. In the if coordination number 4, such kind of the compounds are generally existed tetrahedral and square planar, but in the geometrical isomerism point of view only square planars are existed, not tetrahedral. Clear ma? If any one of the coordination compound contains coordination number 4, coordination compound contains coordination number 4, they can generally existed 2 different type of the geometry. Number 1 tetrahedral, number 2 square planar, but in square planar compounds only the existed geometrical isomerism. In the square planar these compounds only. So here Ma4 plus or minus not, Ma3b plus or minus, these 2 category of the compound is not existed, but Ma2b2 plus or minus n and Ma2bc plus or minus n, MaBCD plus or minus n also existed square planar in the geometrical isomerism, but in the bidentate ligands, so this compound only existed MAB2 plus or minus n, MAB2 plus or minus n. Now these are the coordination number 4th category. Now see one more category, coordination number 6. See my dear students, generally coordination number 6, if any one of the coordination compound contains coordination number 6, such kind of the compounds are generally existed, the geometry is the octahedral manner. That is the most important. In coordination compound 6 irukana, here also 2 categories. Number 1 monodentate, number 2 bidentate. Now see here monodentate 6 coordination number octahedral. In this monodentate ligand, these compounds are not existed octahedral manner. Most important, Nana, this compound is not existed octahedral manner. These compounds are existed octahedral manner. So, in monodentate from the coordination number 6 octahedral, Ma6 plus or minus n, it's not existed. Ma5b plus or minus n, it's not existed. These two kind of the compounds are generally octahedral, but they are not existed geometrical isomerism. But geometrical isomerisms are existed by the octahedral category of the compounds are Ma4b2 plus or minus n, Ma3b3 plus or minus n, Ma2b2c2 plus or minus n, MABCDEF plus or minus n, Ma4BC plus or minus n. These compounds only to existed octahedral manner from the coordination number 6, but these two compounds are not existed octahedral from the coordination number 6 in the geometrical isomerism. Now see, in the octahedral bidentate, these are the bidentate example. Here MAA3 plus or minus, MAA3 plus or minus, it's not existed, and MAB3 plus or minus n, MAB3 plus or minus n is existed octahedral manner, geometrical isomerism. This compound also MAA2X2 also existed, MAA2XY plus or minus n also existed. My dear students, here already I written only general representation formula of the coordination compound. In my next class I will be explain very clearly each and every category of these compounds. Okay, Nana? Now see here, now these are the entirely geometrical isomerism. Once again, my dear student, coordination numbers only to decide the structure of coordination compound. Actually, general coordination number 2 to 10 is there, but common coordination numbers are 4 and 6. But generally, Nana, 2, 3, 4, 6. Out of 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, such kind of the coordination number not existed geometrical isomerism. But 4 is existed geometrical isomerism, and 6 also existed geometrical isomerism. But some exceptional issues are there, some exceptional examples are there. Ipo all 4 coordination numbers not existed geometrical isomerism. Only few compounds are existed, already clearly explained. Similarly, all 6 coordination number compounds are not existed geometrical isomerism. Only few compounds are existed geometrical isomerism. Okay, now see here 4 coordination compound. Now we are discussing 4 coordination compound square planar structure. See, first example, the complex type. So see here, Ma2B2 plus or minus n. So Ma2B2 is the coordination number 4. Why coordination of number 4? A has 2, B has 2. So total 4 coordination number. So this compound only existed geometrical isomerism, but Ma4 is not existed. So that's why, my dear students, here both. See here the complex type, Nana. So this one is existed, this is not existed. See carefully here, Ma2B2 plus or minus n is existed. Here A and B represented monodentate ligands, and M is represented central metal atom, plus or minus is represented net charge. Plus or minus is represented net charge. Okay, okay. See here, Ma2B2 plus or minus. So this category of the compound like this one. See, Nana, here diamine dichloroplatinum 2. Diamine dichloroplatinum 2 is a coordination number 4. Why? Because here chlorine 2 irukku and amine groups 2 irukku. So coordination number 4. But this compound is like this shape. This compound like same structure. See, M is nothing but here platinum. M is nothing but platinum. A2 is nothing but chlorine. B2 is nothing but amine. So this compound, already I said very clearly, Ma2B2 plus or minus n, this compound easily can exist at geometrical isomerism. It's nothing but cis and trans. Now see here, diamine dichloroplatinum 2. Now see here, now we will draw, this is the cis structure, trans. What is the meaning of cis? Already clearly explained. When similar groups are arranged on the same side of the central metal atom. Now this is the central metal atom, platinum. So in the left side same groups are there. One side same group, NH3, NH3. This side also same group is there. So this compound is the cis isomerism, cis diamine dichloroplatinum. And similarly, opposite directions irukana adi the trans. So platinum here NH3, here NH3, here chlorine, here chlorine. So these two compounds can be existed cis and also trans. That's why platinum diamine dichloroplatinum 2 existed geometrical isomerism. It's a similar shape structure of M2 plus or minus N. Okay, Nana? And one more example, see here. Ma2BC. Ma2BC also existed geometrical isomerism. So Ma2BC plus or minus N category, what is the compound name? See here. The important compound, Nana. Here diamine, see Nana, this compound name is diamine bromochloroplatinum 2. Diamine bromochloroplatinum 2. This one is also existed geometrical isomerism because this example is exactly similar of this combination Ma2BC plus or minus N. M is nothing but platinum, A2 is nothing but amine, BC is nothing but bromochlorine. So now here same direction ligands are there, it's a cis isomerism, and opposite directions are ligands are there, this is the trans isomerism. Okay, my dear students, remaining this example from the octahedral manner and from the square planar manner, what are the examples are there? These are examples I will discuss in my next class. So now here today in this session I completed 2 examples only, Ma2B2 plus or minus Ma2B2 plus or minus existed geometrical isomerism, and Ma2BC also existed geometrical isomerism. So remaining example, these are not possible, Nana. Because of why is not possible? A4 means same category of the ligands, all direction. Oppo NH cis is not possible, trans is not possible. Understood, Aicha? So that's why Ma4 plus or minus is not possible. Ma3B plus or minus is not possible, but the coordination number is a 4, but it's not existed geometrical isomerism. Okay, Nana? So in my next class I will go to discuss remaining examples of square planar from the coordination number of 4 and coordination number 6 octahedral example. We will discuss in my next class.